If you've ever wondered how to manage the contacts in your static lists on HubSpot, whether it's adding brand new leads for a campaign or tidying up your subscriber groups by removing outdated entries, today's guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know a few easy ways to add or remove contacts from a static list, both one by one and in bulk, so you can keep your database organized and current. Let's dive right in. To start, let's talk about manually adding or removing contacts, which is perfect when you want to update just a few records and have full control over who gets included or left out. First, head into your Lists section. So in your HubSpot CRM, navigate to Lists. You'll see all your existing lists there. Click the name of the static list you want to work with. Now, maybe you want to add someone new to this list. Look for the Add Contacts button up in the top right corner. Clicking that opens a search window. Just type in a name or email, select the correct contacts, and then hit Add. Imagine you're assembling a guest list for an event, and you want to make sure each invite is intentional. That's the level of care you can bring here, and adding contacts one at a time ensures you know exactly who is being added. If you need to remove someone, it could be an old client no longer relevant to your offering, or someone who's unsubscribed, find the contact right within the list view. Hover over their row, and on the right, you'll see the More drop-down. It looks like 3 little dots. Click that and select Remove from List. Don't worry if you hesitate for a moment here. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm, so there's a chance to double-check before permanently removing anyone. You can also manage list memberships directly from a contacts record, which is super handy if you're reviewing someone's full profile. For this, just go to CRM, then Contacts, and click on the person's record. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a section called List Memberships. It's like a directory showing every list that contact belongs to. Want to add them to a new list? Click Add Membership, search for your static list by name, select it, and hit Save. To remove them, just hover over the specific list and you'll see an X icon appear. Click it, confirm, and that person is quickly removed from the group. This workflow is useful when you're working on a case-by-case basis, like updating a VIP customer's subscriptions or cleaning up after a big campaign. But what if you need to make mass changes? Maybe you imported a batch of new leads, or you want to clean up an old event list. Bulk adding and removing contacts is a huge time saver. Start by heading back to CRM, Contacts. Here, you can use the checkboxes to select multiple contacts at once. Pro tip: use the search filters to narrow things down by property, activity, or whatever criteria you need. Once you've checked off everyone you want to edit, look for the More drop-down at the top of the table. To add these folks to a static list, select Add to Static List, pick which list you want, and click Save. To remove them, it's almost identical. Choose Remove from Static List, select the right list, and hit Save again. This method is perfect when your lists need a seasonal refresh or you're onboarding a new marketing segment. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get comfortable. HubSpot gives you multiple confirmation pop-ups, so you really can't make permanent changes by accident. And that's all there is to it. Managing your static lists in HubSpot is a breeze once you get the hang of these steps. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there's a HubSpot feature you want explained next. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all my CRM tutorials. Thanks for watching.